Hey everyone, welcome back to eTech. Today, we're breaking down the brand new Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, one of the most powerful smartphones of 2025. Let's jump straight into the specs. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max comes with a premium design Dragon Crystal Glass 3 on the front and back, an aluminum frame, and full IP68, water and dust resistance. It weighs 219 grams and feels solid and flagship grade in the hand. You get a beautiful 6.9-inch LTPO AMOLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and up to 3500 nits peak brightness, one of the brightest screens ever on a smartphone. There's also a secondary 2.9-inch AMOLED rear display for notifications and camera previews. The 17 Pro Max is powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset with the Adreno 840 GPU. It comes with 12 or 16 gigabytes of RAM and storage options up to 1 terabyte. It runs on HyperOS 3, based on Android 16, fast, smooth, and optimized for gaming and productivity. The camera system is an impressive 50-megapixel main lens with OIS, a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel ultrawide. The phone shoots 8K at 30 frames per second and 4K up to 120 frames per second with HDR10+ and Dolby Vision support. And on the front, you also get a 50-megapixel selfie camera with 4K video and excellent stabilization. Inside, there's a massive 7,500 mAh battery, one of the largest in a flagship phone. It supports 100-watt fast charging, 50-watt wireless charging, and 22.5-watt reverse wireless charging. This is a phone built for power users. You also get 5G, Wi-Fi, NFC, UWB, stereo speakers, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max is a powerhouse perfect for gamers, creators, and anyone who wants the best possible performance and battery life. If you can get your hands on it, it's one of the top smartphones of 2025. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to eTech, and comment which phone you want next. See you in the next one.